I think what's really important, translating that and trying to encourage my daughters to wear hijab, and alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless them and protect them, that they wear it, alhamdulillah. But I talked to that. They came to a lot of lectures of mine, like Girl School, Muslim Girl Scouts, just different lectures, a college day or whatever it was. And they had always asked me to talk about hijab. And so they saw my presentation like a lot of times. What was cool, what I thought was cool. I don't want to toot my own horn, but I just thought, again, it's Allah's guidance. But I talked about hijab very just kind of matter of fact. What was the culture? What was the understanding? What was the injunction? How do we understand the injunction? How do we understand it in light of the Quran? Maybe that's like 15 minutes. But then the rest was talking about the intense pressure by the beauty industry in the West and beauty standards and the $50 billion, beauty industry and selling products and how much pressure that adds for women all over the world, and in particular, like an additional source of pressure for Muslim women. How are you now going to cover up when all of society is saying, show your beauty? And literally Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, cover your beauty.